Our top story tonight at 6, District Attorney Anita Howard hosted a roundtable to discuss what she's accomplished in office so far. 41 NBC's Ariel Schiller has more on her plans during her term.
District Attorney Anita Howard took office a little over a month ago. She says the transition was rocky, but now they're able to hit the ground running.
We're moving, full speed ahead and just, looking forward to the future.
Howard addressed the media in her first quarterly roundtable since taking office. She spoke about what they've been able to accomplish so far. She says her office has hired a significant number of attorneys, and they're working to hire new talent that's reflective of the community they serve.
Diversity is not only essential, it's actually intentional. We believe that we have put together a dynamic team to ensure that the community's concerns and needs are being met.
She says they're also assembling an accountability council, but according to Howard, their biggest priority is getting through the more than 900 cases that are ready for trial. She says the pandemic is causing an already existing backlog to grow even more, and it could take 2 to 3 years to get through it. They plan on prioritizing cases based on the age and severity of the case.
We are just waiting, for the green light so that we can go ahead and start having jury trials again.
We asked her about a trial date for the Anitra gun case, but there is no date set at this time. She says she can't talk about specifics of the case, but did tell us the process of preparing for a murder case.
We want to make sure that we are presenting the evidence, all of the evidence, and you get one shot to make sure that you are seeking the justice that is due for victims.
We also asked about campaign donations being made by suspects named in a racketeering case several months ago. She says her campaign met all of the legal contribution requirements.
We've done everything that we were supposed to do and did not take any illegal contributions from anyone.
Howard did mention during the roundtable the grand jury did an inspection of the Bibb County Jail last Friday, and the report should be released in a few days. She says based on a lack of records, it appears a jail inspection hasn't been completed in several years, but she says they plan to schedule an inspection every year from now on.
We will have a written finding. It can be something as simple as to say there's nothing to report, or there will be actual findings, whatever the grand jury chooses to report.
Howard says it's a new day at the district attorney's office, and they will focus on the needs and the concerns of the community.
We will not be distracted and we will not be deterred.
In Macon, Ariel Schiller, 41 NBC News.
And Howard says her office is working to create a juvenile outreach team. She also plans to host quarterly roundtables.